here in terms of rates, Anil's rate is 1/20th of a job per day. I always do these questions by writing their individual rates, and that for Sunil would be 1/40th of a job per day. Now, Anil starts the job and he spends 3 days. So that means he would do 3 times his rate, or that fraction of a job. And then Sunil joins in and they work for, say, D1 days. And so their combined rate is 1/20th over 1/40th, which if I match the denominator, this is 2/40th plus 1/40th, or 3/40th of a job per day. So if they worked, say, for D1 days, they would have completed this fraction of a job. So this has already been done. That's in that first leg. And then Bimal joins them and they finish the job. So let's say now we have their combined rate, Anil and Sunil, and then let's say Bimal's rate is 1 over B, where B is the number of days Bimal takes to complete the job. And then they take D2 days to finish this. So that's the fraction of the job they would do in that third leg. And collectively, these three have to add up to 1. They have to complete the whole job. Now we're told that Bimal has done 10% of the job, which means that the rate of Bimal times the number of days is equal to 1/10 of the job. So that piece, if I rewrite this, is really 340 plus, actually times D2 plus 1 over B times D2. So that piece is really 1/10. You could have done that directly, saying Bimal's contribution was 1/10, which means the rest of them did 9/10. So if I rewrite this entire equation, I have 340th D1 plus 340th D2 plus 1/10 equal to 1. So I'll combine these two. So I'll make that 2 over 20 and then add them. So that's 5 over 20, which is really 1/4. So my final equation here is, and you'll note they both have 3 over 40 here. D1 plus D2 equal to 1. Then I subtract the 1/4. This will become 3/4. Knock that out. That denominator would become 10. We have a 1 here. That means D1 plus D2 is 10. So that's the sum of those days for these two legs. They're saying what's the total number of days it took. So it would be 10 plus that the 3 days that Anil did the job in the beginning. So the total number of days is 13, which is choice A.